Hey there, I'm Adam, and you're watching my renovation here on Iris Street. It's week 156, and the paint crew wraps on all the exterior and almost all of the interior work this week. Let's check it out. On Saturday, my buddy Mike is visiting and helps me take all this styrofoam to EcoCharm in Boulder for recycling. It took us 2 trips, and both times the car was 100% full, but it's nice to be able to recycle these difficult to get rid of materials. Back at the house, we tackled some general garage cleanup. Every time I get a freight delivery, I have extra pallets to get rid of, so please let me know if you'd like one. The price is free. After a morning of hard work, we have a little fun on the bike highway. I ride my Pinarello, and Mike joins on his electric scooter. I can take him on the downhills, but I'm no match for the electric motor in his scooter on the uphills. The paint crew has been at my house all week, and I've taken very few photos or videos. Here's a preview of the interior, including their makeshift door spraying area in the dining room. Well, it looks like there's still a clog in part of my DWV, so I'm gonna try to flush it with a garden hose this time. As you'll see in a later video, there's a serious blockage in this drain pipe that will require cutting my slab. Today, I'm trying to see down the pipe with my cell phone, and the blockage is just around the 45-degree bend at the bottom. It's too far away and just out of sight, so today, I have no idea what's going on. Upstairs, I add the required external shutoff valve to my fireplace as required by the City of Broomfield to pass my final inspection. I'm really close to being able to call him back. On Monday after work, I can finally add the new house address numbers to the exterior. I've been waiting to do this for the last 3 years, and now that the exterior paint is done, I can finally lay out the spacing and screw them in place. The existing mail slot will be replaced with a new mailbox. I'm doing this for 2 reasons. 1, the mail slot was a bit drafty, and 2, for increased security. I close out the week by adding these farmhouse lights over the kitchen island on Tuesday. They're dimmable and ready to go. I've had these fixtures rough for over a year, and it's so satisfying to finally be able to hook them up. If you can't tell by the impending montage of photos, I'm really happy with how the kitchen island is turning out. This montage will close out the week. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy renovating.